In data communication network, next topic is OSI model. So ISO is the International Standard Organization that is established in 1947. It is the multinational body dedicated to worldwide agreement on the international standards. So these standards covers the all aspects of network communication. Is the open system interconnection model, that is OSI model. The OSI model is introduced in the 1970s. ISO is the organization, OSI is the model. So OSI model is a layered framework for the design of network system that allows the communication between the all types of computer system. So OSI model is allows to the communication between the all types of communication system. So and in this OSI model we have seven layers. First one is the physical layer, second one is the data link layer, and third one is the network layer, and fourth one is the transport layer, and fifth one is the session layer, and sixth one is the presentation layer, and seventh one is the application layer. So physical, data link, and network layer is called as a hardware layers, and session layer, presentation layer, application layer is called as a software layers. So transport layer is also called as heart of the OSI model. So in OSI model, at the sender system, these seven layers working from higher layer to lower layer, that is top to bottom. At receiver section, these seven layers working from lower layer to higher layer, that is bottom to top, like this. So these are the seven layers of the OSI model. And next one is the interaction between the layers in the OSI model. This is the most important diagram in this OSI model topic. This is the main diagram. This is the interaction between the layers in the OSI model. This is the sender system. This is the receiver system. These are the intermediate nodes. So at sender side, the seven layers working from higher layer to lower layer, seventh layer to first layer. At receiver section, the seven layer working from lower layer to higher layer, that is first layer to seventh layer. So interaction is like this. Application layer interface with the presentation layer, presentation layer interface with the session layer, session layer interface with the transport layer, transport layer interface with the network layer, network layer interface with the data link layer, data link layer interface with the physical layer, physical layer interface with the intermediate nodes and destination node by using physical communication. Physical communication is nothing but physical links. So physical link is nothing but transmission medium. So we have two types of transmission medium. One is the wide medium, one is the wireless medium. Wide medium we use the uh, coaxial cable, twisted pair cables, and fiber optical cable. So wireless medium we use the radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves. So by using transmission medium and physical medium, so physical layer is connected to intermediate nodes and destination node. So directly connect to the physical layer of the destination node. Physical layer of the destination node is connected to interface with the data link layer, data link layer interface with the network layer, network layer interface with the transport layer, transport layer interface with the session layer, session layer interface with the presentation layer, presentation layer interface with the application layer. So interaction between the layers in the OSI model is like this. In OSI model, for data travel from source to destination, each layer of the OSI model at the source must be communicate with its peer layer at the destination. in OSI model, for data to travel from the source to destination, each layer of the OSI reference model uh, at the source must be communicated with the its peer layer of the destination. The form of communication is called as peer-to-peer communication. During this process, the protocol at which the each layer exchanging the information. So that is the peer-to-peer protocol. So and the next one is the and data exchanging using the OSI model. So this is the representation of exchanging using the OSI model. This figure gives the overall overview of the OSI layer. The process start from at the center side, process start from seventh layer, then move from layer to layer descending order and sequential order. At each layer, header header added or possibly Tyler added at the data link layer, and data sent to the physical layer to by using transmission medium. So in physical layer data in the finally physical layer data in the form of zeros and ones. That zeros and ones is given to the transmission medium. Transmission medium, the zeros and ones are converted into electrical signal. That electrical signal is transmitted to the receiver side. So receiver side, again at physical layer, the electrical signal again is converted into zeros and one. So that physical layer data is again given to the next layer, data link layer. So from data link layer the data is given to the network layer. From network layer to data goes to the transport layer, and from transport layer to data goes to the session layer. From session layer to data goes to the presentation layer data goes to the application layer. Like this data exchanging the layer to layer in OSI model.